Hello friends, and welcome. This video is designed for arm day recovery and upper body stretches. Set your intention. Let's get started. Begin with rolling your shoulders backwards. Switch forward. Bring your hand to your mat and stretch your other arm over your head in a side stretch. Switch sides. Release the pose. Place one hand behind you and the other hand on your knee. Twist towards your back. Look over your shoulder and twist. Switch sides. Breathe deeper into your twist. Release the pose. Bend one arm and place it on your neck. Bend your other arm and grasp your hand behind your back. Cow face pose, arms. If your hands don't reach, use a strap. Breathe into your stretch. Release the pose and prepare for the next side. Use props if you need them. Breathe deeply and feel your body giving in to the stretch. Release the pose. Bring your arms into eagle pose. Cross your elbows on top of one another and bring your palms together. Your palms should be facing towards the sky. Lift your arms to feel a deeper stretch in your shoulders. Release the pose, roll your shoulders, and switch sides. Lift your elbows for a deeper shoulder stretch. come to your hands and knees and prepare for cat-cow. Take cat-cow at your own pace. Dip to inhale and round to exhale. Come to center. Stretch your arms forward for puppy pose. Try to bring your chest to the mat. You can bring your forehead or your chin to the mat depending on your comfort level. Press into your arms and come to your stomach. Come up into cobra pose. Release. Come up into another cobra pose. Release. Exhale and come up for one more cobra. Release the pose. While lying on your back, clasp your hands together. Bring your chest off of your mat as you did in cobra pose. Release. Prepare for the next pose. Seated with your knees bent, place your hands behind you and come up into tabletop pose. Breathe into your shoulders. Release the pose. Come up into tabletop. Release the pose. Stretch your wrists if you need to. Prepare for one more. Place your hands behind you and push up into tabletop. Release the pose. Come to your hands and knees and press back into downward facing dog. We are going to be transitioning from upward dog to downward dog several times. Press forward into upward dog. Press back into downward dog. Roll forward to upward dog. Press back into downward facing dog. Roll forward into the final upward dog. Release and come into child's pose. Come onto your back and prepare for corpse pose. Thank yourself for coming to your mat today and giving yourself the time to stretch your upper body muscles. Have a great day. Namaste.